Hey there, this is David Chinelli here with Royal LePage Signature. I just want to take a quick minute to show you my brand new listing here at 16 Houseway Crescent in Alderwood, which is South Etobicoke. This is one of the largest lots you will find in all Alderwood. You really got to come check it out. If you haven't already seen my walkthrough tour, you got to click on there as well. You can either see it on my Instagram or my Facebook accounts. They're both there, or even on my YouTube. Like I said, it's a great size bungalow. It's been fully renovated. It has 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 in the basement. So if you want a private tour or you'd like some more details, please feel free to reach out. You can always call or text me 416-876-9998 or email me at dchinelli@royallepage.ca. If you're in the area also this weekend, we are hosting an open house both Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4. So please feel free to stop by and come see me.